In this video, I will give you my best answers on why and how you should invest. It is based on my readings, my favorite investors' ideas, and my personal investing experience. The best investment you can make is to invest in yourself. You might need to purchase tools, study program, rent a studio, or anything it could be. There is no greater return on investment than unleashing your inner talents. However, maybe you already are generating an income, and after you have covered your personal or your family needs, you have managed to make some savings. You should be considering investing these available resources and step by step build your financial wealth. I mean, who doesn't want to be financially independent, right? We all start investing by being in different life situations, and there is no too little to start with. How you benefit from holding shares in businesses? You are in the game of growing your own capital. We live in a capitalistic world, and in order to be entitled in some part of the fruits it produces, you need to be participating in this game. Simply by owning a part of the business that is able to generate you an income and make you stay ahead in this capitalistic game. We all know the disadvantage of holding your savings in cash is that it is losing its value over time. However, skills that you can trade on the market or a value generating asset are able to extract the purchasing power out of depreciating currency. For example, if you are a doctor and you keep being a doctor, in a long run, as the currency depreciates, you will be able to charge a higher price for your service as people continue to demand it. And that is how you maintain your purchasing power. Same with the businesses. As the currency depreciates along the road, businesses are able to charge a higher price for the value they provide to their customers. And not only to be able to retain the value of depreciated currency, but also to generate additional wealth as their importance grows in the society. Now, I just have discussed about the reasons why you should invest. On the second part of this video, I will explain on how to invest. Develop a habit of investing. When investing, you don't need to have big savings or do a big moves in buying and selling. Rather focus on small acquisitions that are distributed along the extended period of time. Buying stocks over time is more advantageous than buying at once because that gives you a massive opportunity not to miss out on sales. Yes, sales. In supermarkets and shopping malls, you see all kinds of promotions and discounts. The same event happens in the markets where businesses are sold. In the times of turmoil, there is a big sell-off of businesses, and then it is when you need to grab an opportunity to pile up your shares. It can become an enormously advantageous game, and you can make a lot of money if you play this game for your lifetime and you enjoy it. Make your own decisions. Choose the businesses you understand. Question yourself simple questions. Is this business profitable? How big dividend I could expect to get? Does it have any debt? How strong is the market position of this particular company? Boil your inner uncertainty down to basic questions. And believe me, you will outperform your financial advisor very quickly. Not to mention the money you will save on fees. You can do it yourself, just be patient. Before buying a stock, imagine that you are buying a whole business and check in how many years you could expect your investment to be paid back. Compare it with some other type of specific investment. For example, what if you bought an apartment or a house in your neighborhood, and how long it would take to pay back its purchase price by renting it out? You don't need to have money to buy an apartment next door or neither a whole company, but it does give you a better understanding of a bigger picture. Don't put all your focus on the stock price charts. There is so much information missing in them. For example, it does not include how much dividend the business has paid to its shareholders or has the company incurred any debt, and so on. Look more into the balance sheet and case statistics of the company. Of course, do only things that you understand and feel confident about. The good thing is that in this advantages game, you can wait as long as you want before purchasing a single stock. And if you still don't feel like trusting yourself in picking individual stocks, you can choose an index fund, for example S&P 500, that provides a broad market exposure with a portfolio that is constructed of most trusted businesses. By the way, click the link below to find out what are 4 basic investing rules according to the book The Intelligent Investor. It can help you in evaluating a particular business. Treat your investments as a passive income. Think very carefully before investing and never expect to make quick money. Invest only the money that you don't need. Of course, there is no such a thing, but I'm talking about the money that you will not need to use for years to come. You don't want to find yourself in a situation where the market is in sales mode and you are desperate to cash out. Probably there is no business that would stay in game forever, but you still should aim for the company that can generate you income for a lifetime. And remember that you will make mistakes along the road. That is why you don't want to go over your head and you want to stay comfortable in this game, especially if you might be playing it for a very long time. If you have any ideas or suggestions about this video, please leave your comments below and click the like and subscribe button if you have enjoyed it.